skater, man. Check it out, check it out. Check it out. What the fuck? Tawag doon pare, Bill. Panis. Panis. Ito yung artist. Ito yung artist. Change venue. CR. Look, have a look. CR. Ito na. What the fuck? Real street, man. Real street.
Yeah, really cool.
Yeah. Next venue, elevator. Ayan, totoo yung elevator.
Yeah.
Elevator. Yung artist natin, yung artist.
Let's check name here. Yeah, really. Whoa!
So pare, daanan to ng lumpo. Dito sa daanan ng lumpo. Sa madaling salita, daanan to ng lumpo.
There are good followers skateboard. Go! We're here at Eastwood trying to find a
Location.
place.
We're looking for
Go!
You found it.
We're trying to steal it. It's called that ashtray. Coffee bean. Yeah. Try to take a check. Hey, Mr. Busy in this place. This is Pop David Gap. Oh! One more time. Oh! Not good enough. Wala pa. Not good. Let's go. Escalator. Do it at the escalator. Lahat. Grand. Tayo na sa grand escalator.
I feel so stupid today, man.
Do an amazing drop, man. Here, fix the camera here. Be very amazing. Go, ready, go. Shit!
Robert, wag kang gagalaw.
He broke his finger, man. He broke his finger.
Oh. Sino ang system? Ano nga, no?
Ano tayo manalo sa contest?
Almost.
Asan na? Hey, can you please hold the camera for me?
Pleasure, man.
I'll make a very impressive trick here. Yeah!
Oh!
Walang kwenta.
Kulang pa yung balance niya. Siguro konting practice pa. Makakaya na niya.
Pero tingin ko okay na yun. Okay na yun.
Hindi yun okay. Nakita mo ko yung ginawa niya.
Hindi ba?
That shit.
Mahirap yun.
Cricket, pare.
Thank you sa mga idea niya.
Of course, we support.
Hug.
Group of. I would like to thank Leo for the video, Wagner for the Wagner for his notes.
Yeah.
Right. See you again.
Signing out. Peace.